بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Math grade 9 Algebra 1. We are in model 6 lesson 3 solving compound inequalities. Today we want to continue our work in this lesson. We have extra practice. In the previous lesson, as you remember, we solved number 1 and number 2 and number 3 and number 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Today, inshallah, I will solve number 8 and number 9. Then we have small quizzes in the remaining exercises. So I want to from all focus with me very well, because after the 2 exercises here we have quiz. So as you see here, we have all. To solve this compound inequality, start to solve the first inequality here. Minus b plus 12 greater than 10. So always when you want to solve the inequality, try to keep the variable unknown. So try to remove the number. To remove this number, add the inverse. Minus 12 here, minus 12 here. So negative b greater than 10 minus 12 will be minus 2. Then negative b, we want to remove negative from this side here, so you can divide the two sides by negative 1. Negative b divided by negative 1 will be b. And switch the direction of the sign because we divide it by negative number. And here negative 2 divided by negative 1 will be 2. Then, or we have the second inequality here. So at the first, try to remove minus 3. So you can add the inverse, plus 3 here and the plus 3 here. Minus 3 plus 3 will be 0. Remains 6b greater than 21 plus 3 will be 24. So divide here by 6 and divide here by 6. So b greater than 4. So the set of the solution, we have b such as b less than 2 or b greater than 4. Then the graph, the first value we have 2, represent 2 here. We don't have equal in the sign, so draw open sign, and b less than means the direction to the negative side. And here represent 4, and we don't have equal in the sign. So use open circle, and b greater than, so the direction to the positive side. Who has any question about exercise number 8? Is it clear for all? Okay. Number 9, I will solve number 9, then we have a quiz in number 10. So focus with me, please. In number 9, as you see here, we have compound, but here we have and. So try to solve r plus 6 is less than or equal 13. Try to remove 6 from here. So minus 6 here, minus 6 here. Plus 6 minus 6 will be 0. Remains here r less than or equal 13 minus 6 will be 7. And here r minus 2 greater than minus 3. So we can add here 2, the inverse. So r greater than minus 1. So the set of the solution, we have the variable r such as r between two values, r greater than -1, and r less than or equal 7. So here we have 0, 7, here -1. So we don't have equal here, so open circle. Here we have equal, so shaded circle. And here r greater than -1 is to the positive side. And here r less than or equal 7 means to the negative side. Who has any question about exercise number 9? If you have equal in the sign, means shaded circle. If you don't have equal in the sign, means open circle. Okay, so when you have equal, means this solution include. So we use shaded circle. If you don't have equal in the sign, means this solution should this value not include in the solution. And I want you from all to solve number 10 in your notebook. And the student here inside the classroom, you can solve it in your notebook, then show me your answer. And the student who online, solve it in your notebook, then take photo, then send me in the message, please. Send me in the message here. Send me here in the message. Yalla, I wait you. You have 5 minutes. Start, please. This is a small quiz. Shut up. should first the cube divided by something. Here's 31. Yes, because minus 21 and plus 11 would be 10. Would be 10. طيب هلا هون شيء هون 4 غلطان انت كاتبها 2 لا باي 2 ليش ديفايد باي 4 لازم ديفايد باي 4 ديفايد باي 4 لانه انت لغايه تحصل على كيو لحالها طالما لسه فيها 2 ما انحلت يعني بتصير كيو يعني بتصير كيو greater than 7 تمام كيو greater than 7 حدد لي رقم 11 على نمبر 11 بدك تفصلهم بالاول عندك بدك كومباوند بس عندهم فصل ده كان لازم نحطهم تنتين بس نمشيها اصلا لا بيكونوا متعاكسين في عندنا خطأ حسابي تعرفوا معي نيجاتيف 9 minus 5 minus 5 is 13 positive عشان نيجاتيف بلس positive انت فصلتهم هون لازم يعطيك الاولى هي minus 9 less than or equal 5 plus 1 هي الاولى and الثانية شو لازم تعطيك 5 plus 1 less than or equal 21 لاحظ هلا هون هي الاولى بعدين هي الثانية عرفت كيف؟ انت عندك هيك minus 9 less than or equal 5b plus 1 less than or equal 20 هلا الجزء اللي فيه variable مع اللي ما فيه variable هي الانكواليتي الاولى فكتبتها انا زين الجزء اللي فيه الفاريبل مع الرقم الثاني هو الانكواليتي الثاني كتبتها انا الان بدي احل هي وبدي احل انت لازم انت تحرك هنا، لازم تعمل ماينس 1 ماينس 1. تمام. طيب ما وصلني حل الاونلاين من احد. عم بنتظر طلاب الاونلاين تبعتوا لي الحل اونلاين. ما فرجيتني حلك يا احمد، ما فرجيتني حلك. اكتب التمرين من مشير وحل. طيب, I will solve number 10. Here, as you see, we have OR. So we want to remove. We want to solve the first inequality. To solve the first inequality, try to remove 11, minus 11 from here. So we can add the inverse, plus 11 here, plus 11 here. So minus 11 plus 11, 0. So means we have minus 2q greater than or equal. Minus 21 plus 11 will be minus 10. Then we want to remove minus 2 from this side. So we can divide here by minus 2 and here by minus 2. So remains here q greater than or equal 5. Then we want to solve the second inequality. So we can remove here 1 from the two sides. So remains here 4q greater than 29 minus 1 will be 28. Then we want to remove 4, so we can divide the two sides by 4. 4q divided by 4 will be q greater than 7. So we have 5, for example, 5 here and 7 here. Q, we have here equal in the sign, so we use here shaded circle, and the direction Q greater than to the positive side, and here Q, we don't have here equal, so use here open circle, and the Q greater than, so also to the positive side. This is for number 11. This is for number 11. But here I do some mistake here. Always remember, when you divide by negative number, switch the sign. Switch the sign. So the sign will be greater than, less than, or equal 5. So the direction here to the negative side. So don't forget, when you divide the inequality by negative number, or when you multiply the equality by negative number, switch the direction. Switch the direction. Okay, now I want from all to solve number 11 and send me your solution in the message. I wait you, please. أي number 11 أي هذا أول شيء لا تخلص أكثر من 1 خلص من minus 1 minus 1 هي صارت minus 10 by 5 صح؟ بعدين بدك تعمل divide by 5 divide by 5 خلص الموضوع تمام. طبعا مع التنتين. So I put together by 4 and shade itself عشان equal وهنا هنشوف عشان 10 divided by 5 is so shade itself عشان equal 4 هون عندك minus 10 صح؟ واضح نعطيك minus 1 minus 10 هون بس ليش غيرت الإشارة؟ لا أنا هون الإشارة ما بغيرها إلا إذا عملت ديفايد على ماينس أو ملتبلاي باي ماينس. تمام؟ أنا الحين رقم 12 برافو. No one work online. Okay, I will solve number 11. As you see here, we have compound, so we can separate uh, the compound inequality. So this is here the first part, minus 9 less than or equal. Five B plus 1 and the second part 5B plus 1 less than or equal 20. تابع الحل مع ميشيل يا بني. شو اسمك انت؟ حامد؟ حامد تابع الحل مع ميشيل الله يرضى عليك. So we want to remove 1 from the two sides here. Minus 9 minus 1 will be minus 10. Less than or equal 5B. And here plus 1 minus 1 will be 0. Then we want to remove 5 from this side, so we can divide by 5 here, divide by 5 here. So here we have B greater than or equal minus 2. And here the same idea, subtract 1 from the two sides. So 5B less than or equal 20. So divide here by 5, divide here by 5. So B less than or equal 4. So the set of the solution, we have the variable B such as B now B greater than or equal negative 2 and less than 4. Then the graph we have here negative 2 and we have here 4. We have sign equal, we have equal in the two signs, so we can use shaded circle here. And here B greater than to the positive sign, also here shaded circle, and B less than to the negative sign. Number 12, the same idea. I want from all to solve number 12, please. Start, please. Then send me your solution. خلص طيب هو الحصة خلصت تمام. صار 11 و10. تمام. Okay, inshallah, tomorrow we will continue from number 12. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will end this lesson. And inshallah, on the next lesson, we will start a new lesson. So this is our period for today. Thank you for your listening. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.